Silicon wafers are the backbone of the semiconductor industry. Decades of systematic efforts have created a highly developed infrastructure for wafer handling and processing. Localized chemistry at the wafer surface is key to the HealthTel manufacturing process. HealthTel's manufacturing technology leverages these advances to mass-produce its immunosignaturing peptide arrays. Activated wafers are coated with a monomer solution and transferred to a reaction chamber for coupling. Excess reagent is washed away to leave a single molecular layer of permanently linked amino acid. Photolithography is employed to pattern the wafer such that only predetermined locations will participate in the subsequent coupling event. The wafer is first coated with a proprietary photoresist containing a light-sensitive compound. A robotic arm then hands off the coated wafer to the exposure station, where their machine vision system precisely aligns it to a photomask. The openings in the photomask will dictate the wafer patterning. UV light is projected onto the wafer to induce localized chemistry within the film. The robotic arm returns the exposed wafer to the main processing station, where it is carefully heated to drive the reaction to completion. Localized chemistry at the wafer surface is key to the HealthTel manufacturing process. Having performed its duty, the photoresist film is removed with a series of solvents. The resulting wafer has now completed one full cycle and is ready for another coupling step. Each cycle requires about 15 minutes, and each wafer will undergo about 100 cycles. The end result is the chemical synthesis of over 100 million discrete peptide features on a single 8-inch wafer, each addressable by a unique XY coordinate. HealthTel's automated manufacturing system simultaneously processes multiple wafers and synchronizes all necessary steps with extreme precision. Manufacturing staff initiate and monitor the manufacturing process through a graphical touch panel. Synthesis automation affords a high level of control, consistency, and scalability.